You can paint or seal coat a repaired surface once the patch is fully cured and prepared for finishing. Start by confirming the repair material has reached full cure time specified by the manufacturer, because premature coating can trap solvents or moisture and cause adhesion failure. Test dryness by pressing a clean fingernail softly into an inconspicuous edge. It should be firm and not tacky. Clean the area thoroughly with a solvent recommended for the substrate, wipe in one direction, and allow the solvent to evaporate completely before proceeding. For paint, use a primer compatible with both the patch material and the top coat to promote adhesion and prevent flashback where the repair soaks through. For seal coat, check compatibility with existing surface binders and mix slowly to avoid air entrapment that causes bubbles. Apply thin, even coats and let each coat meet the manufacturer recommended dry time. Thicker coats dry slower and are more likely to sag or trap moisture. Common mistakes include coating before the patch is fully cured, which leads to peeling and adhesion loss, so always verify cure time and perform the fingernail tack test to avoid this. Another frequent issue is poor surface preparation. Contamination or residual release agents cause fisheyes or poor bonding, so clean with the right solvent and use a clean, lint-free cloth. A third problem is using incompatible materials, which can create cracking or discoloration over time. Always match primer and top coat chemistry to the repair compound and do a small test patch if you are unsure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where people and professionals share real-world tips and experiences related to surface finishing and repairs. We help contractors find work and homeowners find trusted local professionals while offering a place for practical conversations and problem solving.